In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can add a Roblox gift card. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point you do have any questions throughout the duration of this guide, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my very best to reply to every single comment. So ask it down there. But maybe you bought yourself one of these Roblox gift cards or you got one as a gift. Here's exactly how you can redeem it. Begin by either on your phone or your computer opening up a web browser. I'm obviously on my phone for this, but you can do a computer or really just anywhere that you can access a web browser. And what you're going to want to type in is actually roblox.com/redeem. Hit enter. It's going to load for a second and it's going to take you to a page that looks like this. Make sure you do sign into your Roblox account up at the very top right-ish if you aren't already. And from here, simply take your gift card, scratch off the back to reveal that code, and then enter in that code in the section that does say code. From here, all you have to do is scroll down just a little bit, hit redeem, and boom, if that code is valid, that balance is going to be added to your Roblox account, and you can begin spending it on whatever you like. But yeah, overall, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. Before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.